Kuba nje umzuzu wokuthula ngaphandle kwesakhiwo George, ukhumbula abantu abangama-30 abalahlekelwe impilo yabo ngesikhathi lesi sakhiwo sibhidlika ngesonto eledlule. Kunabanye abantu abasavaleleke ngaphansi kwesakhiwo. Ithimba labahlelwa izidumbu George lithi lizosebenzisana nemndeni ukulekelela ekuhlonzweni kwezidumbu.
What we've put in place is that we will, as soon as any information is available or any pictures and so forth. So we'll start at the beginning, all right? So we take pictures on scene of the actual victim. Then we will take the body back to our facility where further pictures will be taken.
Ungqongqoshe wemsebenzi yomphakathi nenqalasizinda uSihle Zikalala uthi banethemba ethimbeni elibhekelele izinhlekelele.
We place our full confidence in all our rescue teams and applaud them for their tireless effort and services so far.
uZikalala uthi abantu abathintekayo ngokuba nobudedengu obuholele ekubhidlikeni kwesakhiwo bazothathelwa izinyathelo zomthetho.
We want to reaffirm that we will leave no stone unturned. We will not allow any effort of hiding truth, shielding certain individuals or companies. If anyone breached the expected standard and compromised the safety of the people, that person or company will need to bear consequences.
uZikalala ubesedlulisa amazwi enduduzo emndenini elahlekelwe izihlobo zayo wabesefisela ukululama okusheshayo kwabalimele.